Your new Samsung TV has arrived, and now it's time to install the stand. First, some safety precautions. It's a good idea to have a friend help unbox the TV and hold it steady throughout the process, and make sure the television has a stable foundation. We'll position the panel horizontally in this video, but some panels will stand vertically, depending on the model. Also, be careful not to press too hard on the screen, and keep the protective padding in place until the end. Now, gather together the parts from the box. First, you'll attach the stand base to the feet. Be sure to orient them correctly, as seen here. The stand feet are marked with an L and R to help you correctly install them to the base. Next, you'll attach the stand assembly to the panel. With this side facing the back of the TV, lower the stand assembly so that the feet drop into place, and push upward to snap them into place. Then, move the TV into place with the help of a friend. Let's get the TV powered up. First, plug in the power cable to the back of the TV panel, but hold off on connecting it to power until all of your sources are connected. For a clean look, use the cable holder to hide away the cord. Now that your installation is done, hook up your cable box, game consoles, home audio, and other gear. Plug in, hit the remote, and have a blast with your new TV.